In the 16th century, ceremonies were banned by the Roman Catholics in their bid to convert the Inca people to Christianity. This year marks an important milestone for 21. This day is the shortest day of the year, but it's also the longest night. In pagan times, the winter solstice was referred to as Yule and was a celebration of goddess energy, also known as the moon's energy. The day for the solstice to happen changes. It will never be the same because we count the world as 365 days, but we also count 366 due to the solstice, which changes every year because of the way the world moves around the sun. This year's solstice should happen on December 21st, 2020. The term solstice comes from the Latin word sol, which means son and sister. That also means to stand still, because during the solstice, the angle of the Earth's equator and the sun's rays, called declination, appears to stand still. Either of the two moments in the year when the sun's apparent path is farthest north or south from Earth's equator. Light and fire are the main symbols for this tradition, held on the darkest day of the year. They make huge bonfires and light up the whole field. There's an area with huge rocks in Ireland where everyone gathers around and celebrates. People surround themselves with lights and fun, food, drinks, noise, and each other. The dressing up they do is so unique and different. I've never seen a holiday you dress up the way they do to celebrate. The winter solstice was immensely important because the people were economically dependent on monitoring the process of the season. In the northern hemisphere, starvation was common during the beginning of the winter in January all the way to April, and in the southern hemisphere, July to October. People would explain it as the famine months. Two solstices occur annually around June 21st and December 21st.